viewers, welcome back to our channel. Here we come again with the latest design and most beautiful Christmas craft ideas. Crafting is more than just making beautiful objects. It's a way of recycling, expressing creativity and adding mindful peace to our daily lives. In this session, we will explore jute and burlap craft, golden fabric craft, and well hanging decoration ideas together. We will also uncover the benefits, the hidden mindfulness in crafting, and why recycling through handmade art matters so today. Jute and burlap craft. Let's begin with jute and burlap craft. Jute is a natural fiber, eco-friendly and strong. Burlap made from jute is often used in bags and packing, but crafters have given it new life. With a little creativity, burlap can turn into beautiful rustic ornaments, Christmas decoration table, wall art, or storage basket. The benefit of jute craft is not just its rustic charm, it's sustainable and biodegradable. Every piece you make with jute reduce plastic waste and connect you with the nature's simplicity. Jute craft also inspire us to value handmade items over machine made plastic decor, reminding us that beauty can come from humble materials. Section 2, golden fabric craft. Next comes the glow of golden fabric craft. Golden cloth with its rich texture and shimmering look is perfect for luxury decoration, wedding decor, gift wrapping, and festive wall hanging. Golden fabric craft add a royal, festive, and celebrity touch to any event. Unlike cheap plastic ornaments, golden fabric can be reused multiple times in cushion, covered tablecloth, or festive backdrop. The benefit of golden fabric craft lies in its long lasting values. It is not just decoration but an investment in sustainable beauty. Working with golden fabric also gives a sense of pride and joy as it transforms simple space into radiant ones. Wall hanging decoration ideas. Wall hangings are one of the most popular handmade decor craft. They can be made from jute, burlap, golden fabric, beads, recycled woods, or even paper. Wall hanging bring life to plain walls, making a home feel warm, personalized, and artistic. You can try rustic jute, macrame hanging for a natural look, golden fabric step strap for festive charm, recycled material hangings like bottle caps or old cloth piece for eco-friendly art. The benefit of wall hanging craft include creativity and low cost. You don't need expensive material. Sustainability be recycling your reduced waste. Personal expression. Every piece tells you a story. Crafting itself has countless benefits. Let's list some of the most important. Mental relaxation. Crafting work like meditation, reducing stress. Skills building. Every project teach new techniques. Recycling and saving money. All things gain new life. Eco-friendly living, handmade craft, reduce plastic and waste. Community connection. Craft can be shared as a gift or taught to others. Economic benefits. Many people sell handmade crafts and create small business. So craft is not just art, it's a healing, learning, receiving and earning. Crafting also carries a deep message, mindfulness. When you work with your hands, whether it's weaving jute, folding golden fabric, or designing a wall hanging, you become calm and present. The mindful practice improve focus, patience, and inner peace. Recycling through craft add even more meaning. When we reuse old fabric, glass, bottles, cardboards, or wood, we are not only creating art, we are protecting the environment. Every recycled craft is small contribution toward a cleaner earth and sustainable lifestyle. To sum up, jute and burlap crafts bring natural beauty, golden fabric craft bring festive shine, and wall hanging decoration add life to our space. The benefits of crafting go beyond decoration, they touch our mind, environment, and even economy. Through crafting, we practice mindfulness, recycle, and sustainable living. Thank you for joining this creative journey. Hope you like the video. If you like, so please must subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and more amazing craft DIY videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye. So viewer, if you want something like you desire, and if you want we upload as per your desire and as per your suggestions, so please must share your valuable comments and share your thoughts. We will work on it and try to upload the video which is actually you like it.